Hello and welcome students to the section 2 Network Bug Bounty Lab Setup and Overview. So in this section we are going to take a look at various points. First of all, we will learn about how you can install virtual machine. Then we will install operating systems inside the VMware Workstation, and then I will show you information about Bug Bounty program and their components. So let's start the download and install VMware Workstation. In this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points: how you can download the VMware Workstation and how we can install it inside our Windows machine. That I'm going to cover here in this video. So you need to open your browser inside Windows machine, and we are working on main operating system. I'm going to show you that how you can download it. So now we have started the browser. Inside browser we have started Google inside Windows 10 machine. So in Google you can simply type download VMware for Windows and hit enter. Right, so this is the official website vmware.com. so you can open this website, click here. So this is the website. You can come down, and this is if you have Linux then you can download this one. If you have Windows you can this one. As I'm using Windows 10 machine as my main OS, so you can click on download now, and here it is going to download. This is 487 MB file, right? So it is going to download inside my Windows operating system. Right, so you can click save file, and you just need to wait until it completes the download process. So guys, here you can see that I have downloaded the VMware Workstation inside my Windows machine. This is the setup. Now you just need to double click on it to install this file inside your Windows operating system. It will start the installing. So here it is. You can click on yes. It is starting the installation procedure here. You just need to wait here because it is preparing for you. So basically VMware also comes with a paid version. So here it is. So you just need to click on next, accept the license agreement, hit next, click next here. If you want to join, if you want, otherwise you can untick them. If you don't want any updates, or if you don't want to join their customer experience improvement program, you can untick them. Click next. It's totally up to you. It will create a shortcut on your Windows operating system, and click next. So now it has started. You can see here that it is setting up the customer registry permission on VMware keys. It is downloading the components and installing inside your Windows operating system, installing the drivers which it needs for VMware installation procedure. So you just need to wait here until it completes the installation procedure here. So now you can see here guys, the installation procedure is complete. And now if you have license, then you can click on license, and then you can put your keys there. But if you have not purchased it yet, then that's fine. You can simply use the trial version of VMware. So you can simply click on finish, and the installation procedure of VMware Workstation is now complete. So how you can open VMware Workstation? Simply you can open your Windows and you can type VMware. This is the desktop shortcut, so you can click here to start VMware Workstation Pro inside your Windows operating system. So here you can see that this is VMware Workstation. As I have already some machines inside it, so that's why it is showing here. But if you have installed it recently or a fresh VMware Workstation, then you won't see these kind of machines inside your VMware Workstation. So this is VMware Workstation, and you can create a new virtual machine. If you click here, right, you just need to click here, and you can create a Windows or Linux or any kind of virtual machine by using this VMware Workstation, right? So this is all about the download and installation procedure of VMware Workstation.